Today, we're going to show you how to download and transfer a Garmin Marine chart to a compatible Garmin Marine device. You will need to have the ActiveCaptain app set up and paired with your chart plotter and have at least one chart registered to your account to complete this process. Follow the on-screen links if you have not done this. For this video, we will be performing this process on a compatible Apple device, but the process is very similar on a compatible Android device. First, open the ActiveCaptain app. There are three ways to download your chart. First, from the chart page, find an area of the chart you wish to download. Now, zoom in on that location until you are under the 2-mile zoom level. The chart will begin downloading. To download larger sections of the chart at once, starting from the chart page, press the menu button in the upper right-hand corner. Then, select My Charts. Here, you will see any available charts you own. Press the menu button in the top right. You will be taken to a map where you will see the full coverage area of your charts in light gray, with the rest being dark gray. Find the area you are looking to download charts for. Narrow down the area you would like to download using the selection box. You can move all four corners to highlight the area to be downloaded. Press Download once you have selected your desired area. Press Download again. The second way to download charts starts on the Chart tab. Press the menu button in the upper right-hand corner of the Chart tab at any point. Select Download Charts. Search the map for the area you would like to download. Narrow down the area you would like to download using the selection box. You can move all four corners to highlight the area to be downloaded. Press Download once you have selected the area to download. Press Download again. You can delete downloaded charts from the same download page if at any point you downloaded more than you want or have storage space for. Select Delete in the upper right-hand corner. This will turn the selection box red. From here, you can either use the selection box to surround the area you would like to delete, select Delete, and then Delete again. Or in the upper right-hand corner, you can select Delete All to completely erase all downloaded charts. Now that you have downloaded the charts you would like to use, we will transfer them over to your compatible Marine device. Start by connecting your mobile device to your Marine device's Wi-Fi network. Navigate back to the ActiveCaptain app. Your mobile device will now connect to your chart plotter. Once you are connected, the Marine device will go through the process of transferring data from your mobile device. It is normal that the process can take a long time and may pause during transferring. It is recommended to make sure your mobile device is set so that it does not enter a sleep mode, and that you don't use other apps during this process. You will now be able to access those charts on your Marine device once the transfer is complete. And that's it. For more help, please visit marinesupport.garmin.com.